studying? Fourth standard. Okay. What is your school name? AHPS. Okay. Again tell me what is your name? What is your name? What is your father's name? What is your mother's name? Arjun. Good. Then say to me 5 sentences about your school. ಶಾಲೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಂದವಾಗಿದೆ, ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಗುಡ್. ನೇಮ್ ಎನಿ 2 of your friends. Your friends' name. Your Anita and ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು? Why do you like them? ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವರು? ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. You read this passage. Good. A rich man invited Birbal for dinner. Okay.